How to switch Roblox accounts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox website or application and further make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the More option on the top left of your screen and then tap on the Log Out option you see in the drop-down menu. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the Confirm button to confirm the Log Out action. After logging out, you will be taken to the Roblox login screen. Enter the username and password of the new account you want to log into, and then tap on the Sign In button you see there. And with this, you are now logged into the other account. So, this is how you can switch accounts in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.